Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video, we are again gonna learn some really cool, amazing and awesome drawings, different kinds of drawing and how to draw them. Starting off with the first drawing, we can learn how to make a helicopter. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, in which we can learn how to make a really good bus which has a door and 3 windows, and it is a school bus. We will first draw the body of the bus and the tires and the windows and gate of the bus, and then we will color it. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, which is a really easy one, we can learn how to draw this really beautiful and cool bicycle, which is a bike which can be rode specifically in mountains and different kind of regions also. It is a mountain bike which is a really good one. We will first draw the tires and the body and the engines and then the steering, and after drawing we will complete the drawing and then we will color it with different colors as we can see in the video. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, which is a really easy one, we can easily learn how to draw this cool truck which is towing something on his back. We will first draw the head part of the truck with the tires and the steering, and then we will draw the container which the truck has on its back. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to draw this different vehicle which is also a really good one. We can see how to draw this towing vehicle which has weight on the back. We will first draw the body of the vehicle, the steering part and the window part, and then the tires, and then we will complete it. Moving forward to the next drawing, we will again learn one more vehicle, how to draw it. We can learn how to draw it by following the steps as we are showing in the video. It is actually a fire ambulance. As we can see, we will first draw the body, the tires of the ambulance, and then the pipes on it, and then after drawing it, we will color it with different types of colors as you can see and learn from the video. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to draw this really cool helicopter which is really big. We will first draw the body and then the blades of the helicopter in the stand, and then we will color it. Starting with the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to draw this really big and cool looking vehicles. The next one is a crane. We can easily see how it is lifting some weight. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can easily learn how to draw this vehicle once more, which is a car, and a really cool one which has a light and a star, which means it is a police car which is running through the city. We will first draw the police car and then we will also draw the police station behind the car. As we can see, after drawing the car, we will color it with different colors to make it totally look like a police car. Thank you for watching the video.